Let us talk about the Ojude Oba Festival. I like this festival so much because this is one of the festivals that have proven the Yoruba as one of the most liberal ethnic groups existing in this our present world. And when I say liberal, what I mean is that we are not fundamentalists. For instance, you can look at certain ethnic groups in Nigeria and conclude that they are predominantly Christians, and you won't be wrong. You can take another major ethnic group and conclude that they are predominantly Muslims, and you still won't be wrong. But you can't do that about the Yoruba people. You can't look at a Yoruba man and just conclude that he's Muslim or Christian. A relevant example of this is the land of Ijebu-Ode. This place is almost equally shared by Muslims and Christians and traditionalists. But more specifically about Ojude Oba, you must have heard in the Oriki of Ijebu that they are Omo Afidikpotemole. During the reign of Awujale Afidikpotemole in 1878, one particular slave called Ali decided to convert from Isheshe to Islam. And the people of Ijebu, even though they were devotees of the Orisha, they were not hostile towards Ali. They received him very well. Ali was not the only traditionalist at this time who converted to Islam. Many Orisha people who wanted to convert preferred Islam to Christianity because Islam allowed them to remain polygamous. Unlike in Christianity, where they would have to divorce all their wives till it's remaining only one. So many rich and affluent Ijebu chiefs who wanted to convert chose Islam, and this attracted a lot of other people to Islam. One of those prominent chiefs was Balogun Kuku. The Awujale did not victimize them in any way. He embraced his converted people and even showed respect for their new religious choice. This was strange to the Ijebu converts at the time, who were used to hearing stories of their fellow Muslim converts in other parts of Nigeria who were being victimized, who were being persecuted. So they expected the same hostility in Ijebu land. Imagine therefore how joyful they felt when they realized that their choice to convert to a foreign religion did not turn them to the enemies of their own people. They felt so grateful and decided to show this gratitude to the king, the Awujale. They very well knew that the Awujale could have chosen to victimize them and nothing would have been done about it. Now, how did Ojude Oba now begin? Before that, there was a festival done annually to honor the Orisha. This festival was called the Odenla Festival. Now, these Muslim converts, when it was time for the Ileya festival, they needed a prayer ground, and they couldn't have access to this without the permission or approval of the Awujale. So they went to the Awujale and pleaded that he gave them a place where they can be using as their own prayer ground. And the Awujale did as they requested. This made them very, very glad. They decided that on every third day following the Ileya Eid-el-Kabir festival, they would gather themselves in front of the palace of the Awujale and thank the Oriade for allowing them to practice their religion of choice. This is the festival that we now call Ojude Oba today. Ojude Oba, the festival that we perform at the front yard of the king's court. During this festival, the different families in Ijebu land seize the opportunity to showcase the rich culture of the Yoruba people in honor of the Awujale. But why did I call it a festival that has proven the Yoruba as a liberal people? It is because what we have today as Ojude Oba is actually a fusion of Islam and the religion of the Orisha. Yes, it was started by Yoruba Muslim converts, but these people couldn't really forsake their ways in entirety, so they merged it. The only Muslim thing about it is that it was started by Muslims, but there is nothing obviously Muslim about the festival today. The whole thing as we have it today is purely Ibile, purely Asha, and purely the Yoruba culture. Ojude Oba embraces Muslims, Christians, and traditionalists. The festival preaches that we are all one and focuses on the showcasing of our unique sense of fashion while paying homage to the royal head of Ijebu land at the same time. Oba Sikiru Kayode Adetono Ogbagba II, the Awujale of Ijebu land. Afele ikinyin towotowo babawa Asheba Oriade in the royal manner of Igu aromatic schnapps. Ata ọtí sílẹ̀ kí ẹ lè bá tẹ́lẹ̀ pẹ́. Ilẹ̀ ọ̀gẹ́rẹ́ afọkọ́yẹrí kí ilẹ̀ ó má gbẹ̀yìn mì láì tọ́jọ́. Ìbà orí adé ìbà ọrùn èjìgbà lẹ̀kẹ̀, ìbà ìtẹ́ àwọn bàbá tẹ̀yìn tí ò ní láyé tí. May you keep soaring like the eagle. May your authority remain ever strong like eagle aromatic schnapps. Your head shall not be tired of the crown of your fathers. Àṣẹ á pẹ́ lẹ́nu, ìrùkẹ̀rẹ̀ á pẹ́ lọ́wọ́. Ẹ ò ní kàndín nínú iyọ̀, ẹ ò ní tẹ́. Ọtí kì í tẹ̀, a kì í bọ́tí níbi ìbànújẹ́. Ayọ̀ àti ire ni Awujale lọ́jọ́ gbogbo. Bàbà kì í bàjẹ́, ọtí kì í tí. Tó ìríṣẹ̀, àṣẹ ti gùn. Àṣẹ Elédùmarè ni. A kú ọdún lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí o. Eagle aromatic schnapps ló ń kí gbogbo wa wípé a kú ọdún lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí. Ìwòye àmọ́dún, gbogbo wa là á wà láyé, là á wà láàyè láti tún ṣe ojúde ọba òmíràn. Wàá ṣeré.